My name is Surendra Tiwari. I represent Laxmi Steels Limited, Nepal. We are leading manufacturer of TMT bars. We provide high quality steel toward infrastructure and construction projects across Nepal. As we installing solar, our steel industry operation are highly energy intensive industry. Financial benefit is there, and the main we move forward to sustainable steel making and reduce the fossil fuel like diesel, petrol, furnace oil. So we reduce their consumption. So basically we move our first step towards sustainable energy to make steel. We partnered with Gham Power. We look their already industrial installation, their track records and their after sales service and their vision to sustainable energy. So all about we partnered with Gham Power. The experience was nice. Jivanji leading the team, so they work very professionally, installation on time, and their now after sales service and response is very good, and they ensure minimal operational disruption on installing time in our operation. We just contract with the Gham Power and their material received at our plant and then installation. Main motto is our operation, our regular operation not disturbed. So basically Gham Power take care of that. I told Jivanji that you do, that is okay, but our production process and other thing is not disturbed. Take care of that and everything is okay, and now 924 kWp solar is running.